Steaming baskets of dim sum bring people together in Chinese tea houses.
Family-style sharing is a cornerstone of dim sum culture and tradition.
Dumplings are a staple dish, filled with shrimp or pork and wrapped in thin dough.
Dim sum tea houses serve a variety of steamed dishes, including dumplings and buns.
Tea is an essential part of the dim sum experience, with many varieties to choose.
Chinese restaurants often feature large tables for family-style dining and sharing.
Steam baskets are open to reveal freshly cooked dumplings and other delights. Pork filling and shrimp are popular ingredients in many dim sum dishes and recipes. Dumpling wrappers are made from a simple mixture of flour and water, then steamed. Hand-pulled noodles are another specialty, often served with savory sauces and seasonings. Dim sum tea houses are warm and inviting, with a cozy atmosphere and decor. Sharing plates of steaming dim sum and sipping tea creates a sense of community and togetherness. Steaming baskets filled with dumplings are carefully prepared for serving. Delicate dumpling wrappers encase shrimp and pork filling, a classic combination. Skilled chefs meticulously wrap each dumpling, ensuring a perfect seal. Steam baskets are stacked high, filled with an assortment of dim sum delights. In the kitchen, chefs expertly steam the dumplings to perfection. Timing is crucial. The aroma of steaming dim sum wafts through the tea house, tantalizing patrons. Patrons eagerly await the arrival of their steaming baskets, filled with anticipation. Dumplings are served with a variety of dipping sauces, enhancing the flavor experience. Tea is poured, and the sharing of plates begins, a time-honored tradition. Families and friends gather, enjoying the warmth and hospitality of the tea house. The sound of happy chatter and clinking teacups fills the air, a sense of community. In this serene atmosphere, the simple act of sharing dim sum becomes a special occasion. Steaming baskets of dim sum arrive at the table, filled with savory delights. Delicate dumpling wrappers encase shrimp and pork fillings, a perfect pairing. Tea is poured into delicate cups, a soothing accompaniment to the meal. The aroma of steaming dumplings wafts through the air, tantalizing the senses. In the dim sum tea house, family and friends gather to share a meal. Hand-pulled noodles are served alongside the dim sum, a satisfying contrast. The sound of happy chatter and clinking teacups creates a warm atmosphere. Steam baskets are opened, revealing a variety of dumplings and treats. The tradition of sharing dim sum is a cornerstone of Chinese culture. Tea is an integral part of the experience, bringing people together. The simple act of sharing a cup of tea and a plate of dim sum is profound. In this serene and welcoming environment, memories are created and cherished. Steaming baskets filled with dumplings bring warmth to the tea house atmosphere. Delicate dumpling wrappers encase shrimp and pork fillings, a perfect harmony. Skilled chefs carefully craft each dumpling, a labor of love and tradition. Inside the kitchen, steam rises as baskets are prepared for serving. The sound of sizzling and steaming fills the air, tantalizing the senses. Freshly poured tea complements the savory aromas of dim sum delights. Families gather around the table, sharing plates and creating memories. The art of hand-pulled noodles requires patience, strength, and dedication. Chefs knead and stretch the dough, transforming it into delicate strands. As the noodles cook, the aroma of freshly steamed dim sum wafts through. The tea house comes alive with the sounds of laughter and conversation. In this serene setting, the simple act of sharing a meal becomes profound. Steaming baskets filled with dumplings bring warmth to the table setting. Family-style sharing encourages conversation and togetherness always. Delicate dumpling wrappers wrap around shrimp and pork fillings perfectly. Hand-pulled noodles require great skill and patience to prepare correctly. The tea house atmosphere fosters a sense of community and belonging always. Dim sum tea houses serve a variety of steamed dishes in bamboo baskets. Pouring tea is an essential part of the dim sum dining experience traditionally. Sharing plates of steamed dumplings and noodles is a common practice here. The sound of laughter and conversation fills the dim sum tea house. Steaming hot dumplings are carefully placed into bamboo baskets daily. Family-style dining promotes a sense of unity and cooperation always. The simple act of sharing a meal can bring people closer together ultimately. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.